Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Steam account on your device. So then without any further delay, let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. On the web address bar, type in www.store.steampowder.com/join. This is a direct link of the sign up interface. Here you'll begin with the creation of your account. So for that you need to provide in the email address. For the confirmation, type in twice. You'll also need to enter in the country's resident. Now quickly enter in all of these information. You also need to mark on I'm not a robot, go through the below statements, all of that. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll need to click on continue and also mark on this terms, that is I'm 13 years and above. Click on continue. So you'll need to verify your account. So for that, a verification code or a link will be sent to the registered email address. Open up the email and then check for the verification code. Right on top there is the verification link, so click on verify my email address. So as you can see that the email address has been completely verified. Now you'll need to return to your account creation window to complete creating your new Steam account. So after that, you'll begin with the creation of your account name. You'll need to create a password. For the confirmation, type in twice. Now quickly enter in all of these information as well. So click on the done button once you're done entering all of these information. So as you can see that the Steam account has been created successfully. So that is basically how you can create a Steam account. Now you can go ahead and select a profile for yourself. So in this way you can create a Steam account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.